Hey everyone, it's me Jenny and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to crochet this super easy and super fast beanie. This is for adult size. The circumference is 20 inches unstretched, but you can stretch this probably extra 2 inches, so total stretch is 22 inches, and from the top all the way down it is 8 inches. Okay, you can make this in less than 1 hour and all using half double crochet stitch. The yarn that I use is this one right here, Lion brand yarns, Wool Ease Thick and Quick. This is a super bulky weight yarn, number 6, fiber content. It's 80% acrylic, 20% wool, and the colorway is Fisherman. Okay, so the crochet hook, you're gonna need 8mm crochet hook, and also right here 8mm. You need tapestry needle with a big opening head right there, and scissor to cut the yarn. Okay, so if you don't have this yarn, you can use any bulky weight yarn number 6 that you have. Sorry, super bulky weight yarn number 6 that you have. Okay, so I made one beanie using a new skein, and I have this much left, so I think you can make 2 beanie out of one skein. Okay, so let's start. So for this tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet the exact same size as this, the adult size, so this can fit man and woman. So first we're going to start by making a loose knot, or you can use the magic ring technique. So what I normally do is hold the yarn like this, twist it and hold it right there, and in this loop I'm going to insert the crochet hook, yarn over and pull the yarn through the loop. Okay, so this is the loose knot or the magic ring or magic loop. Okay, so now we're going to chain 1, and this chain 1 does not count as stitch count. Okay, so now we are going to make 8 half double crochet stitch in this loop right here, 8 half double crochet stitch. Okay, so remember this chain 1 does not count as stitch count. So yarn over, hook into this loop, yarn over, pull the yarn through the loop. Now you have 3 loops on your crochet hook. Now yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Okay, so this is the first half double crochet stitch. Now we're going to make the rest of the stitches. We're going to make total of 8 half double crochet stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so once you made all 8 half double crochet stitch, you're gonna close this hole at the center by pulling this tail. Okay, so now we're going to slip stitch at the first half double crochet stitch right here. Okay, so done with round 1. So for round 2 we are going to start with chain 1, and this chain 1 does not count as stitch count. So now we are going to make 2 half double crochet stitch in every stitch. Okay, so starting right here at the first stitch, we're going to make 2 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet in every stitch until we reach the very last stitch right here. Okay, 2 half double crochet in the first stitch, 2 half double crochet second stitch, 2 2 half double crochet, third stitch, 3, okay, so this is the last stitch. Okay, so once you're done with round 2, you make 2 half double crochet stitch in every stitch. Now you should have total of 16 stitches around. Okay, so slip stitch at the first half double crochet stitch right here. Okay, so now we're going to start round 3. Round 3, start with chain 1, and this chain 1 does not count as stitch count. So at the first stitch right here, we're going to make 1 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and at the next stitch we're going to make 2 half double crochet, 1 and 2. Alright, so now we're going to repeat 1 half double crochet and 2 half double crochet. So 1 half double crochet right here and 2 half double crochet at the next stitch. 1, and at the next stitch 2 half double crochet, 1 and 2. Okay, so you're going to repeat the same sequence, 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, next stitch, total of 8 times until you reach the very last stitch right here. Okay, so once you're done with round 3, the last stitch right here, you should end with 2 half double crochet stitch. Go ahead and slip stitch at the first half double crochet stitch right here. So done with round 3. So for round 3, you should have total of 24 stitches around. Okay, now we're going to start round 4. Start with chain 1, and as usual, this chain 1 does not count as stitch count. So now we're going to make 2 half double crochet, 1, 2, and at the next stitch right here, you're going to make 2 half double crochet. Okay, 1 half double crochet in the first stitch, 1 half double crochet in the second stitch, and 2 half double crochet in the third stitch, 1 and 2. Okay, so now we're going to repeat the same sequence, 2 single crochet, one in each stitch, and 2 half double crochet in the next stitch. Okay, we're going to repeat total of 8 times. 1 and 2 half double crochet next stitch, 1 and 2. Okay, 1 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 2 half double crochet next stitch, 1 and 2. Okay, so once you're done with round 4, you should have total of 32 stitches around. Now go ahead and slip stitch at the first half double crochet stitch. Okay, so done with round 4. Okay, so now for the next 5 rounds, round 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, every round we're going to start with chain 1 and make 32 half double crochet stitch, so there will not be any increase from round 5 onwards. So start with chain 1. Every round you're going to make 1 half double crochet stitch in every stitch. Okay, so remember the chain 1 does not count as stitch count. Okay, so just basically make 1 half double crochet in every stitch until you reach round 9. Okay, so once you're done with round 5, slip stitch at the first stitch and continue to the next round. Continue crochet round the following round, which is round 6. Okay, chain 1 does not count as stitch count, and make 32 half double crochet stitch around, or 1 half double crochet stitch in every stitch. Okay, go ahead and finish up until you reach round 9, and I'll see you once you're done. Okay, so once you crochet until round 9, so round 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so for the next two round 10 and round 11, we're going to do this right here, the front post stitch and the back post stitch. Okay, so both round we're going to use, still going to use the half double crochet stitch. Okay, so this stitch right here, the one that's popping out, this is the front post stitch, and the one at the back, that is the back post stitch. Okay, so we're going to start with chain 1. So I already made chain 1. Okay, so chain 1. So first we're going to make front post half double crochet. So yarn over, we're going to, instead of going to the regular stitch on top right here, we are going to do around this half double crochet stitch from the previous round. Okay, so we go at the back of the stitch to the front, yarn over, pull the yarn to the back of the stitch. Now yarn over and pull all 3 loops. Okay, so that's the first half double crochet stitch, front post half double crochet. So now we're going to do back post half double crochet. So yarn over. Now we're going from the back of this stitch, back to the front, to the back, yarn over and pull the yarn back, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Okay, so that's the back post half double crochet, and this is the front post double crochet. Okay, so now we're going to repeat the front post half double crochet and back post half double crochet. So next stitch right here, we're going to do front post half double crochet. Alright, so yarn over, hook, go around from the back of the stitch, yarn over, pull the yarn to the back and front. Now you have 3 loops on your crochet hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Okay, so we made front post half double crochet. Next stitch is going to be back post half double crochet. Okay, so yarn over, hook, we go through the back and to the front and back there, yarn over, pull the yarn from the back to the front all the way to the back again, yarn over and pull through all of the stitch. Okay, so you're going to repeat, make 1 front post half double crochet and 1 back post half double crochet. Okay, so go ahead and finish up until you reach the last stitch. The last stitch right here, it should end, this stitch right here, it should end with back post half double crochet. Okay, so go ahead and finish up, and I'll see you at the end of round 10. Okay, so we reach at the very last stitch right here. The very last stitch, as I mentioned, is going to be the back post half double crochet. Alright, so once you're done round 10, go ahead and slip stitch at the first stitch right here. Okay, so once you're done with round 10, this is how it looks like. You can see that this is the front post, the stitch is popping out, and the back post, the stitch is at the back right there. Okay, when you turn it, it's going to look exactly same as the front. Okay, so the last round, round 11, we're going to do the front post half double crochet and back post half double crochet as well. So start with chain 1, and this chain 1 does not count as stitch count. So the first stitch, we're going to do the same front post half double crochet at the front post stitch and 1 back post half double crochet at the back post stitch. Okay, so 1 front post half double crochet, And next is the back post, half double crochet, front post, half double crochet, and back post, half double crochet. Okay, so go ahead and finish up until you reach the very last stitch or at the end of round 11, and I'll see you once you're done. Okay, so once you're done with round 11, go ahead and slip stitch at the first stitch, chain 1 to secure stitches, and cut the yarn. Okay, so just cut enough for you to weave in ends, and this is how it looks like. Get your needle and weave in the ends. Okay, so once you're done, this is how it looks like. Total of 11 rounds, 2 rounds of ribbing, 4 rounds of increase, and 5 rounds just crochet in a round. So this is the super easy beanie, quick and easy. You can decorate this with pom-pom. You can put it on top or button, or just leave it as is. Okay, so I do hope you find this tutorial easy to follow. If you have any question, leave your question at the comment section down below. I will try my very best to reply. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and share this video with your fellow crochet friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. That way you won't miss any of my future upload. And also you can follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram. I am more active on Instagram. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care everyone. God bless and bye bye.